Hello viewers, have a good day. Welcome to another tutorial. Today we'll learn how to prepare a cartogram map by when we have a point features, and that when point features have different values. So how can we prepare different kind of cartographic technique like the bar diagram, like the circle, concentric circle, or others cartographic technique. Now actually we have to do the pie diagram. So select this pie, and I want to select three element: water quality, mg, and ca. So after that, click on apply and click on I want to go to level. Actually level is showing some different. Okay, then I want to go the placement properties. I want to select this one. Okay, change location. I can select this one. Okay, click OK, apply. Okay, now I click on OK. So this is the pie diagram. Okay, I can also give the any color like this one. Okay, so now the boundary line also you can see here. You can also change the color of the boundary line. I want to give red and to increase this, so the boundary line also you can see. Similarly, if you want to change the again cartographic technique, go to properties. Okay, again go to symbology. You may go other way. These are the graduated color, graduated symbol, proportion symbol. Okay, so on the other hand, categories, you can see here unique values, many field, then mass symbol style. Then you can, within this feature, there's single symbol. Okay, so these are the different technique you can use for our the you can say uh, our cartographic technique. Here I want to see this is water quality. I wanted to use the graduated symbol. Okay, and you can also see there the if I select from the graduated symbol water quality index, the classes is 5. You can increase or decrease the classes. Okay, so I want to take 4 classes. Then you may click on apply, and you may see here. So what is this? Actually on the basis of data, the big one shows the higher value, the small one shows the lower value. Okay, so this is another technique. Similarly, if again I want to go to properties, if I click here, if I go to uh, the graduated symbol. Okay, if I select the any other, okay, nitrogen, if I click on OK, you can see similar kind of result also. So these are the technique, these are the method by which you can easily perform any kind of cartographic technique on the basis of the point features. If you want to the prepare a output layer, then just go to layout view. Okay, so on the basis of this present this. Okay, so now you can see it is showing variable. So you may also go to properties to increase the legend size. Okay, so click here, go to properties, go to a level, and you may increase the level, apply. You can see here it's okay. You can also increase in some extent 14. Okay, it will be good for you. So after that you can increase or decrease the level or size. Then you can go to properties, and I want to give here latitudinal and longitudinal extension. For that, go to grid, then go to new extend, go to next, click on the level only, click on next, click on next, click on finish, then go to properties again. These are the small then you can see here the interval is 1, so you should give here 0 degree, here also 0 degree, and here I want to give the 5 minute and give 5 minute. Okay, then click here lines, select this time new romance, select time new romance, go below time new romance, size should be at least 14, give 2 value, then click on vertical labels. I want to show you later. Then click on apply, click on OK, click on apply. You may see there are several number of the point longitude showing here. I want to edit this. Go to again properties, click left, then click OK, then click apply. You can see here the alignment changes. Similarly, go to properties, again click on right, OK, you can apply. Okay, so by this way you can change the orientation. Okay, then go to properties. I know that key the interval should be increased, then click here interval and write here 30 degree, sorry 30 minute by 30 minutes. I actually want to give the extension. Click on apply, click on OK, click on apply. Now you can see degree, minute and second. Okay, so again you can go to properties, you can create some edit. For example, click bold. Okay, so now you can see the bold version. Okay, now I want to assign the north line. For that, go to insert, click here, go to north arrow and select any north line from here, and to select this one, anyone you can select, bring it here. You can increase or decrease your north line. Okay, now I want to give you the X scale. Go to insert, go to scale bar. You can select any scale from here. Go to properties. Now basically in the scale there is just two unit, one is mile, another is kilometer. I will select the kilometer. Then level position, I want to select the below center, and then number of division, primary division and secondary division, I want to select both the 2 and 2 primary division and 2 secondary division. Then go to here, and from the format, size should be 14 and it can be changed in Times New Roman. Select T, so Time New Romans you can select here. Then go to it's okay, you can decrease this size. Okay, then click on OK, click on OK. So scale will come and you may increase or decrease the size of scale. You can see here. Last one is the legend. Click here, go to legend. There is a two legend is there. One is Tripura, another is okay. So Tripura is like that. Then click next, click finish. So legend already came, and this legend can be edit again. Go to ungroup, then again click on ungroup. Now I can change something. For example, this one I want to delete, this one to delete, this one I want to select. Okay, and go to the folder location, and my folder location is desktop. Within this desktop, my folder will be the Excel file. I want to write here output. Okay, so save as type is PNG, JPG, TIFF file is important, and resolution should be 600 dpi or more than that. According to your configuration, you can increase or decrease your resolution. Then click on save, and this is the processing. So this is the output. Okay, that .png. If I want to see that the total output, and you can see here, this is my output of the map. So this is the simple tutorial by which you can prepare the output map of any point picture, which actually used by the Excel file.